End of kamikaze drones? California defense startup unveils Star Trek-style laser shield. The evolution of drone warfare has significantly altered military strategies, with kamikaze drones emerging as a formidable threat in modern conflicts. These drones, designed to carry out one-way missions, pose a challenge to conventional defense systems. However, advancements in counter-drone technologies, such as the Leonidas system developed by Epirus, offer promising solutions to neutralize these threats effectively. This video delves into the history of drone warfare, the development of kamikaze drones, and the cutting-edge technologies being deployed to counter them. For those viewers who are interested in more information regarding various defense-related projects as well as other interesting projects involving startup companies, please find links to videos previously uploaded in this channel within the playlist available at the end of this video. Details for this video has been gathered from news reports of March 27, 2025. Hi friend. Welcome back to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. We wish to sincerely thank all the new subscribers of this channel. History of drone warfare. The concept of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, dates back to the early 20th century when militaries experimented with radio-controlled aircraft. During World War I, early UAV prototypes were tested, but they lacked reliability. The Cold War era saw significant advancements in drone technology, with the United States and the Soviet Union investing heavily in reconnaissance UAVs. By the 21st century, UAVs evolved into multi-role platforms capable of surveillance, combat, and precision strikes. Evolution of UAVs. Early experiments, 1910s to 1940s UAVs were initially developed for target practice and limited reconnaissance. Cold War reconnaissance drones, 1950s to 1980s countries like the US and the USSR developed drones for intelligence gathering. A modern multi-role UAVs, 1990s present drones became integral in warfare, capable of strike missions and electronic warfare. Emergence of kamikaze drones. Early development. The concept of kamikaze drones, also known as loitering munitions, emerged in the late 20th century as military forces sought cost-effective solutions to strike high-value targets with precision. Unlike traditional missiles, these drones could hover over battlefields, identify targets, and then strike with lethal accuracy. Role in modern conflicts. Kamikaze drones have played a significant role in recent conflicts, particularly in asymmetric warfare scenarios. They have been extensively used in the Russia-Ukraine war, where both sides deploy them for reconnaissance and targeted strikes. These drones offer affordability, precision, and versatility, making them a favored choice in contemporary military strategies. Notable kamikaze drone models. Harop, Israel developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, this loitering munition is designed for anti-radiation warfare. A Switchblade, USA used by US and Ukrainian forces, it offers a lightweight, man-portable design. A Shahed 136, Iran used by Russian forces in Ukraine, known for its long range and swarm capability. Technical aspects and technologies. Design and functionality. Kamikaze drones typically incorporate the following technical features. Autonomous navigation. Many models use AI-driven guidance systems to navigate and lock onto targets. Explosive payloads. Equipped with warheads, these drones detonate upon impact, ensuring maximum damage. Stealth capabilities. Some drones feature low radar signatures, making them difficult to detect. Swarm technology. Advanced models can operate in coordinated groups, overwhelming traditional air defense systems. Counter-drone technologies. The rapid proliferation of kamikaze drones has led to the development of countermeasures, with directed energy weapons emerging as a game-changer. The Leonidas system by Epirus. Technical overview. The Leonidas system, developed by Epirus, is a directed energy weapon that utilizes high-powered microwaves to disable or destroy UAVs. Unlike conventional anti-drone solutions, Leonidas can target multiple drones simultaneously, making it highly effective against swarming attacks. Key features. Electromagnetic pulse (EMP) technology. Fires an EMP wave to disrupt electronic components in drones. Scalability. Capable of engaging a single UAV or an entire swarm. A long-range engagement. Can neutralize threats from considerable distances, reducing the need for traditional missile-based defense systems. Portable and adaptive. The system is designed to be mounted on various platforms, including land vehicles and naval ships. History of Epirus. Epirus was founded in 2018 as a defense technology startup focused on advancing directed energy systems. Headquartered in Torrance, California, the company quickly gained traction due to its innovative microwave-based defense solutions. With substantial venture funding exceeding $550 million, Epirus has positioned itself as a leader in counter-drone technology. The Leonidas system, its flagship product, has undergone rigorous testing and secured contracts with the U.S. Department of Defense. Deployment and effectiveness. Epirus Leonidas system has garnered interest from the U.S. military, securing a $66 million contract in 2023. The system is currently undergoing testing by U.S. Central Command and has been deployed in the Middle East for operational assessment. Defense analysts believe that Leonidas could redefine short-range air defense by offering a cost-effective, rapid-response solution to drone threats. Implications for future warfare. The evolution of drone technology and counter-drone measures signals a paradigm shift in modern warfare. The increasing use of swarming drones necessitates advanced defense mechanisms, and directed energy weapons like Leonidas represent the next frontier in military technology. As adversaries continue to develop more sophisticated UAVs, the race for superior countermeasures will intensify. Challenges and considerations. Power supply requirements. Directed energy weapons require significant power, necessitating robust energy sources for sustained operations. Adaptability against evolving threats. As drones become more advanced, countermeasures must continuously evolve to address emerging challenges. Integration with existing defense systems. Military forces must ensure seamless integration of directed energy weapons with traditional air defense networks. Future prospects and technological advancements. AI-driven counter-drone systems. The use of artificial intelligence in predictive targeting will enhance defense systems' efficiency. Hypersonic drone interceptors. Future counter-drone weapons may include hypersonic interceptors capable of neutralizing high-speed UAVs. Directed energy miniaturization. Efforts are being made to reduce the size of directed energy weapons, making them more deployable across different platforms. Conclusion. Kamikaze drones have revolutionized modern warfare, presenting both opportunities and challenges for military strategists. The development of cutting-edge counter-drone technologies like the Leonidas system marks a crucial step in mitigating the threat posed by UAVs. As drone warfare continues to evolve, nations must invest in advanced defensive capabilities to maintain a strategic edge on the battlefield. The future of warfare will likely be defined by the ongoing arms race between drone manufacturers and counter-drone defense developers, making directed energy weapons an indispensable part of military strategy. Stay tuned for further developments on these projects. Do let us know your thoughts on the subject in the comments section. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media network. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. Thank you.